Welcome to part 2 of my interlocking hearts motif tutorial. I'm Kat from Crazy Cabbage and I'll be showing you how to add the border to the hearts I showed you how to make in part 1 of this tutorial. Make sure your hearts are face up. We're going to start at the bottom point of the first heart. So turn it upside down and then find the middle of these 3 single crochets that make up the bottom point of the heart. Insert your hook in the back of these 2 loops, take your yarn and join it with a slip stitch. Continuing to work in the back loops only, single crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next one, and then we're going to do double crochet 2 together for these next 2. Okay, so this next bit is a little tricky. You get the second heart here, you find the bottom point and you see 3 single crochets, find the middle one and then count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to do a triple crochet through that. So yarn over twice, insert through the back loop of that one and then through the back loop of the next white one here. Just yarn over, pull through both of those, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and now they're linked. Next we're going to repeat what we did here in reverse order. So it's double crochet 2 together, so yarn over through only the back loops again, and then it's a half double crochet in the next one, single crochet in the next, and that should bring you to the middle of this bottom point, and it's slip stitch in that one. If you are linking more than 2 hearts, then you would just repeat from this point here across the bottom of your hearts. Okay, so now we're going to work towards the corner, which is pretty much the same as what we did here. So single crochet in the next one, half double crochet in the next, and double crochet 2 together in these next 2. And now we're at the corner, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to double crochet in each of the next 2. Half double crochet in the next, single crochet in each of the next 2, half double crochet in the next one, chain 3 for the corner. And now we're working along the top, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in each of the next 2, single crochet and single crochet here, across the top of the center of this hat it's half double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet and single crochet. So next we're going to join these 2 hearts at the top. So find the right stitch, you look at the white heart here and you see 2 stitches in the middle, count back to the 3rd one, so it's 1, 2, 3, this is the right one here, and we're going to do a half double crochet through these. So yarn over and go through the back loop on the white one, and then go through the next stitch on the purple there. Okay, like that. Okay, and then it's single crochet in the next 2, then we've reached the center of the white heart, half double crochet in these 2 stitches, and single crochet in the next 2, half double crochet in the next one, and chain 3 for the corner. Half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in each of the next 2, half double crochet in the next, and double crochet in each of the next 2. And then chain 3 for the corner. Double crochet 2 together.
Happy birthday to you! No, it's buddy. Come on.
Half double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the last one, and slip stitch to join through these top 2 loops on the first single crochet, and that's the round completed. Okay, now we're on to the easy bit. We're going to double crochet all around. So start by chaining 2, and then double crochet in this next stitch, double crochet in the next, all the way along to the corner. So then you should have 11 double crochets including this chain 2, and now we're going to make the corner. So it's 2 double crochets in the chain space, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the chain space, and continue to double crochet along this side. There's one in the top of each double crochet. So then we have 8 double crochets along this side, and now we're going to make the corner. So it's 2 double crochets in the chain space, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the chain space, and then double crochet across the top of the piece. And keep going across the top. Now there's 17 double crochets along the top. Now we make the corner again. So that's 2 double crochets in the chain space. This one, this 2, chain 3, and 2 double crochets in the chain space. And then double crochet along this side. Then you should have 8 double crochets here, 2 double crochet in the chain space, chain 3, 2 double crochet in the chain space, and then double crochet in each of these last 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet, and then you should have 19 double crochets along this bottom, including the chain 2, and that's it. Tie off and you're all done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.